Due to its high vitamin C levels, flavonoid content and acidity, drinking lemon water may have several health benefits. Hi, this is Dr. Welling and welcome to Dr. Welling's Health Show. Today I am going to tell you all major benefits of drinking lemon water and why to drink it every day. And in the end, we'll also let you know how to have it and how much to have it. That's most important. By having lemon water, you add vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that not only helps boost your immunity, but also protects your skin from free radicals and can prevent signs of aging. Lemon is natural detoxifier that cleanses your liver and also helps in weight loss due to its abundance of polyphenols that balances blood sugar levels. It can boost metabolism, which can help in weight loss. So if you have fatty liver, lemon water can help you get rid of fatty liver also. Research has shown that polyphenol antioxidants found in lemons significantly reduces weight gain in mice that were overfed in order to induce obesity. In these mice studies, the antioxidant compounds also offset the negative effect on blood glucose levels and even improved insulin resistance, the two main factors in the development of type 2 diabetes. Citrus fruits like lemon are high in vitamin C, a primary antioxidant that helps protect cells from damaging free radicals. Vitamin C can reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke and even lower blood pressure. Next, it improves your skin quality. Vitamin C found in lemons can help reduce skin wrinkling, dry skin from aging and damage from the sun. Lemon water helps in digestion. Now, some people drink lemon water as a daily morning laxative to help prevent constipation. Drinking warm or hot lemon water when you wake up may help get your digestion moving faster. It helps prevent even kidney stones. Citric acid in lemons may help prevent kidney stones, and citrate, a component of citric acid, paradoxically makes urine less acidic and help break small stones. Drinking lemon water not only gets you citrate, but also the water you need to help prevent or flush out kidney stones. Lemons are good for your brain also, as it provides it a potassium. They are high in potassium, which research shows can stimulate your brain and nerve function. Just one lemon contains 80 milligrams of this essential mineral, which is also important for basic cell and muscle functions and for maintaining your body's fluid balance. Your body can't function at all without potassium. It's necessary for nerve muscle coordination, transporting nutrients to various parts of your body, and waste and blood pressure control. Lemon juice helps in improving iron absorption. Iron is essential for cells in your body to survive and grow. If taken with meals, it enhances iron absorption, especially important for athletes and people with anemia. So compounds in lemon help your liver in filtering toxins out of your body, because citrus flavonoids in lemon can protect the liver against damage caused by toxins and reduce fat in the liver, as I mentioned earlier. Juice from 1 or 2 lemons with meals can be taken early morning. If you want to have it sweetened, you can add few drops of stevia or organic honey to make it even better. Most importantly, after watching this video, don't add lemon to every glass of water you drink. Lemon juice is highly acidic, so if you drink too much of lemon water, it may have some negative effects on your body. Like too much lemon can erode your tooth enamel and damage your teeth. Some sources claim that drinking cold lemon water helps burn extra calories. And some research believe that warm water helps digestion. But there is no concrete research to prove this as yet. That's all in today's episode. If you have any question and query, you can write them in the comment section below. So see you in my next episode. Bye and take care.